Hello everyone, welcome to CodeCrazily, and here we are in our next lecture. In the previous lecture, you have seen what is the difference between JDK, JRE and JVM. Now today, in order to execute our first program, and I'm showing the installation of Java, how to run in our Windows. So as you can see, this is the official JDK download page, and I have given you the link in the description. Please go through it and you can download now. As you can see, JDK 21 is the latest version of the Java. And please download according to your compatible machine. Mine is Windows, so I gave the Windows. Okay. And for Windows, you have to go to the installer and click on this. Then the installation will start. As I have already installed, I'm gonna go to my installation. And after installing, you should have to run this JDK executor, which has already installed. Okay, as I've already installed. Okay, I will, for demonstration, I'm gonna show you. Yes, reinstall it. Uh, Basically what it gives is, yeah, this is how it's gonna be after installing it for the first time. So welcome, you click on next, next, and it will install it. As I have already installed, it's just updating it, kind of, and it also copying it. Okay, now it has been, okay, it's been installed, and yeah, it is successfully installed. So I will close. Now let's go to command prompt. You might say, as I have already installed, now it should be there in my computer. Let's see what is the version we have installed. Okay, and let's see Java version. It gave the basic commands, but in order to execute, we need to set up the path. So what is this path? This path is telling our Windows if our machine that if any program is being run based on the Java, you should go to this folder and take the necessary executors to execute that program. So in order to do that, what you have to do, go to OS, C drive, and go to program files and go to Java and open JDK and copy the path. Okay. Sorry. Copy the path here. 1 minute. Yeah. Copy the path here. Control+C. And now go to system in control panel. Yeah. Open that. And go to advanced system settings. And then I'm going to environment variables. Now in environment variables, I'm going to system variables and I am creating new path, say Java. And for the variable value, I'm gonna paste what I have taken the path. And then, okay. But this is not enough. Now we have to go to path and edit and new and Control+V and /bin. Here we have to go inside the bin, or you can also take the command %java in %. /bin. Anything is fine. Okay. Now click on OK, OK, and OK. Now close this and open command prompt. Yeah. Now I'm going to create my first ever Java program. So don't worry if you don't understand the syntaxes and commands, just be patient. For the programs, I have okay. Yeah. For the command prompt, what I'm gonna do is first type open a folder called open a notepad called first dot java. And okay, I have already created. I have already had it. So what it has is a class called public class first and the main function and which prints hello world. Okay, it is already present. So I'm gonna save the first, and I'm gonna edit. Now, what we had to do is Java. We had to compile it. Yesterday, in the previous video, you have remembered that first we had to compile it, then execute it. So for this, we are using Java C and the file name first dot Java. Yeah, as it has been executed perfectly, nothing is showing here. Now I want to execute it, for which we have to write Java first dot Java and it print hello world. It means our path is given correctly and everything is perfect according to the command prompt. Okay, so this is our first ever program we are doing, and this is how you have to install and set the path. And my suggestion is we will not be using command prompt because nowadays we are using IDE. IDE is nothing but integrated development environment. It means it has all the compilation, execution in the one go. Like you just have to write the code and click on run. That's it. Output will be there. No need to write commands. No need to compile it, execute it separately. So in the next lecture, we'll see how to uh, give the IDE, and also from next lecture, we're gonna see going to the syntaxes and commands of the Java program. Thank you, and please, if you like the content, please subscribe the CodeCrazily, and until the next lecture, bye bye.